GED is Global Engineering Days. At Intuit, twice a year, we have essentially a week where engineers can do whatever they want. It just gives us a week to figure out what we want to do, our own passion, and inject it into the work that we're currently doing.
They don't force you to solve a particular customer problem or solve this. It's for the developers to choose.
What I want to challenge all of you to do is make it your own. Ignore the stuff that you're worried about, the Slacks coming in, the Jira tickets.
It's just a fun week and there's so many fun activities.
I would say one word I used to describe this year's GED is experimentation. I'm about a month here, so I have a lot I need to learn and pick up, and it helps to be able to experiment on projects and also meet a lot of people and just work with them.
Something really, really satisfying about taking a tool that's your vision and something you were given freedom to develop and getting to show it off to everyone else.
I got a chance to learn the pro tax domain, which I don't typically get. So Intuit encourages cross-domain and kind of breaks the boundaries. That's something very special.